I had to take the topper off our truck for the first time in its entire life yesterday so that I could go get something special that I'd like to show you. Welcome into the house. Now that the parka is complete outside, it sounds really quiet in here. It's not even really insulated yet. Remember that we're 5 minutes away from the world's busiest airport. Not the busiest airport lately, which is kind of nice for the air quality and everything. Here, we have the heating and cooling systems for this entire house. Now, if you've been following this build, then you know that we've got a main house. It's our living space. And we've got a studio space that's basically a mixed-use commercial space. We're going to do dance classes for my little girls in there. We're going to have it be a recording studio because I used to be a musician for a living. Grace used to be a dancer for a living. She's an actress now. We can record auditions in there. We can have mirrors and ballet and dance parties. We're going to have a mirror ball. We'll have performances in there. It's going to be awesome. I'm very excited about that. So for these two different spaces, we have two systems, a ducted system and a ductless system. Let's just uncover these. Okay. Voila. There is a very beautiful PVA series ducted heat pump from Misubishi. Now, this is special because it has hyperheat, which means it's a heat pump that does not require heat strips. I would not allow heat strips in our house, as you probably know, if you know anything about what heat strips are. It's basically installing a toaster. We do have a toaster on the makeup air system that's going to go for the kitchen that's over here, but it's not a great way to heat. It's very inelegant, even though it's 100% efficient is what they tell you. And this is where marketing gets in the way of true scientific facts. So this one can work very efficiently all the way down to 5 degrees, and then it keeps on working. And the design temperature here in Atlanta where we are is about 22 degrees. So we're never going to hit 5 probably. So this is good because ducted systems are in fact very useful for a lot of things. They have ductwork built into them, which means you can distribute the 800 CFM that's going to be moving through this to do things like dehumidify the space, the entire living space. Do things like filter the space. We have a HEPA filter system that's going to go onto this from Fantech. The dehumidifier that we're going to have here is an Ultra-Aire 105, which is a discontinued model. Basically, the closest thing to it is a 155 XT. We'll go into that when we get to the install of that, but that's what this ducted system is going to do. Now on the studio, which is one big room, we have a ductless system. So that is what you're going to see in the Tiny Lab. We've been using that for a number of years and it's great. It's great mostly for one big room. And of course, the room that we're talking about is the same size as this room. It's on the other side of the house, but it's 24 feet wide, 36 feet long. It's not going to have great circulation in there from just this unit alone. The fan in this is not super powerful, so you're not going to feel it everywhere, which is why you use really high efficiency ceiling fans. And those are from Fanimation. We're going to get into that design and how all that works very soon because we're at the process where we're about to be ordering a lot of this stuff. I have my electrician on board. He's gonna be coming in the next couple of weeks here. We've got plumbing happening. We've got, I'm gonna be installing this ductwork as I already explained in one of the past videos. And then the other side of it is the lighting, which we're about to shoot a video on, and that's gonna be a very long online interview with the lighting designer at Kichler. And that also has an impact on how these systems are going to work because, of course, what you do with the lighting, how you light your space, may impact the heat that you're picking up from what's called internal gains. That's what you do inside. So anyway, I'm very excited about these pieces of equipment. You will see these going in soon. Hopefully Brian Orr from the HVAC School podcast is going to be coming down here and helping me install. I'd also love to have several of our other high-performance HVAC friends come. You will see what kind of party that turns into. If we can get some masterminds down here, that would be cool. So we'll have lots more videos coming. I'm sorry that it's been a little slow lately, but we've been trenching. We dug 500 linear feet of 4-foot deep trench. And so I've been covered in mud and dirt and everything. But this is just a quick update to let everybody know where we're at. You'll see a lot more coming, especially on the electronic systems and mechanical systems side, which we're really excited about getting into. Please do make sure that you comment, like, subscribe. Tune in next time.